Hey guys, welcome back to the Dummards. We are here at the Dummards shop, and we have just fired up our foundry. We are going to try to pour us an ant bed today with molten aluminum. Let's see. We got our propane tank and everything hooked up, and we just fired it up. It's already getting nice and hot down in there. I don't know how well y'all can see it in this light, but we got us a little ant bed right here, and hopefully that'll be good enough to work. If not, we're gonna have to take it over to the house. We got us a bunch of cans. We're gonna see if we can get it all melted down for you real quick. All right guys, we've prepped our ant bed. We think that might work. To be honest, we're not sure, but we got that ready. And we got us some good molten aluminum down in here. We're about to pull the slag off of that and then dump it in and see if we can get it to work. All right, we think we got our aluminum good enough. Let's see if we can pour it out. All right. Well.
Is it just making a big pool?
Yes.
Dang it, you blocked up the hole.
I think you blocked up the hole. Let's see if it'll go in this one. There's a little tiny hole. I don't know how to make the hole in this thing. It's just... Oh,
It's going in. Keep going. Just keep on pouring it. Maybe it's not going in.
It's making a cool creak though.
It's just running.
Oh, that's awesome.
Ran all the way over here.
That's so shiny.
Just poke it.
No, I don't want to poke it. I want to let it sit perfect like that.
No, I mean with like your bare hand.
Well guys, the main ant bed we poured didn't work. But this little one we poured over here actually didn't turn out too bad, and we forgot to video us digging it out. But Nolan's over here cleaning it off right now, so we're gonna go check it out. Not too bad, so that's the top right there. Dude, that turned out awesome.
It's just a little tiny one.
Yeah.
We just need to make it bigger.
But anyway, this is the first one. We're trying to make another one right now. So we work on that real quick. All right, ant bed pour, take 2.
All right, here we go.
Just give it a second.
Just doing it again. I'm gonna pour it in here.
Okay, no. Hey, you old bungie. I don't know why that ant bed won't work.
Huh.
Oh well.
That one's just done. It's like it doesn't have any tunnels.
All right, ant bed pour, take 3. Oh yeah.
Does it seem like it's doing it?
Yeah.
Nice.
I can hear it popping in the ground.
It's probably all the little ants popping.
Yeah.
Just dump it all in there.
Look at them all coming out the ground. Yeah, it definitely worked. Sweet.
Yeah, look, it's all still going. Sweet.
All right, take 3. Seems like it has worked.
Indeed.
All right, we will get us a shovel and we're gonna let it cool off and we'll get back to you shortly.
Shout out to James Bros Bikes. Bought this bike and it's awesome.
All right. Well, that's all there is to it. No, that's the entire crystal.
You know it. So as you can see, it's really taking form. We're digging all around it and we're thinking we're getting close to the bottom. Oh yeah, and all of this. Got one heading down. Where is it?
Right here. Yeah, it just goes straight down.
Wow.
Get to the bottom of that. Get to the bottom of this.
Like Scooby-Doo. Gotta get to the bottom of this mystery.
All right, we think we might have it where we can get it out. Let's see here. Let's do the look. And yeah.
Oh yeah.
Let me see it right here. Oh,
it broke.
All right.
Oh.
All right, so we got two pieces. We got this one, which broke off the bottom. It looked like it was barely connected right there, just that little piece. That's it. Look, all the aluminum came through right here. It's pretty neat.
Wow.
All right, well, that piece is ready to be washed off. But this one, we're gonna chisel it off a little bit first before we take it over there because it's still got a ton of dirt in here. Don't want to break it.
Oh, this water's cold.
Wimp.
Where is it?
Nice.
Oh yeah. Just got all the dirt out. There was a rock right in the middle of this thing, but it was looking good.
I'm gonna zoom into some of those crispy ants on there. Let's see if I can find a good one. Let's see. It might not focus good, but all those black dots, that's all just a bunch of disintegrated ants. Stupid ants.
Watch out.
Yeah. All right, now time for the big piece. There we go.
Just let it erode.
Looking good. Alright, we're just about done there. See if I can get that little bit out of that hole. You can sit up here on the platform here. I'm afraid to hold. There we go, baby.
Yes.
Alright, so the top was right here. This piece was connected right, where was it? Oh, it was back there, I believe. And it was, so this came down even further, like that. And this piece was up here somewhere. So that is the whole ant bed. Sweet.
Wow. Put it on the grass so we can see it better.
Alrighty.
It's kind of dull against this dark, this bright background.
Look at all the ants, all that black spot, and there's all ants.
Hold up.
It's right here.
All those little tiny black spots are ants.
Hey, see, it all came in right here. That's the spout that made all this. That is pretty neat. Holy crap, I'm cold.
That is awesome.
Alright guys, well I hope y'all liked that video. Like they say, third time's a charm. Our third time actually turned out pretty well. It broke into 3 different pieces, but it's not too bad. And but we'll be doing more videos like that in the future, melting a bunch of crap. If y'all have anything specific you want us to melt or anywhere you want us to put it in, just let us know and we'll give it a shot. Alright, Nolan. Go.
Stay dumb, my friends. Ouch! Oh, I got bit. Oh, that'll be really good for putting at the end of the video. Ouch.